Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Well, I just dropped off my daughter from school and I want to show you a little bit here about Southwest Cape Coral. I'm going to show you what's going on here, you know, a little bit of the neighborhood. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so that's why it's kind of cloudy. Temperature, it's like 72. Very nice day. And just gonna drive around and show you a little bit about, you know, this area here. We're right now in Surfside and 29th Court. Okay, a lot of homes in this area are golf access, and there's a lot of new construction going on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit of, you know, the area here, a couple new constructions that you can see from the car. And then I'm gonna get off in one of my clients' new construction home that they're building. So I'll show you more or less, you know, how this process of new construction works here. And I hope you enjoyed the video. It's Golf Access Home, one of the homes that they're building, so I'll show you. One of my goals is probably to start filming it every like 2 or 3 weeks, so you guys get a feel of you know, how the new construction build up goes here in Southwest Florida. Maybe it's a little bit different how home is being built up north. As you can see over here, there's a lot of new construction, and down the block there's even more. But I have to turn here to go to the house that I'm going. The house, no, the new construction home that I'm going, because it's not a house yet. Okay, so yeah, take a look at the canals. Very calm in the morning. I mean, if you're thinking about Cape Coral and you're thinking about new construction, there's a lot of builders in Cape Coral right now, and they're building almost everywhere. If you would like us to help you out, help you filter the builders in the sense of what you're looking for. I mean, if you're looking for a builder that produces a good product for being outside next to the pool, if you're looking for a builder that offers you good energy efficiency, or you're looking for a builder that is, you know, produces a good product and it's affordable. You know, if you're looking to do something custom, you know, just feel free to contact us and, you know, call us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I has been, you know, selling real estate here in Southwest Florida for over 20 years. So we have seen a lot of homes being built, and we have sold a lot of them too. So okay, we're coming close to the home that I want to show you. So let me come over here and park. It's kind of muddy place to park because the home is being built. Okay, I'll park right here. Hopes I don't get a flat tire from all these nails. Okay, as you can see, they're also building a new house next to it. So let me get off my car and I'll get on the other camera and I'll show you what this home looks like, you know, what the beginning of a new construction looks like, okay? Okay. So this is what new construction looks like. I do this video just to show our clients the progress of the home. You see they're starting to put in the foundation here. It's going to be a pretty big home. And here's the dock. Let me go on this side here. homes are. Very nice and quiet here today. So over here, I think this is the area where the pool's gonna be. So they'll probably build that up that later. Here's the house next door. Check it out. This house next door, they still have to put the screen. Coming along. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. For my client, they're moving. They're moving quite along. I'll try to have another video for you in a couple weeks so you get to see the progress. And like I said before, for anybody out there that's looking to buy new construction in Cape Coral, feel free to contact us. And we'll try to find the builder that fits your needs, okay? Signing off from Southwest Cape Coral. On to the next video.